Hello everyone, I hope you are sound and safe at your places. In this video, we are going to discuss about questions of exercise 5.2. So question number 5 is, find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. Means our hour hand is on 3 and it will go to 6. So, how many hours it have completed? 3 to 4, 1, 4 to 5, 2, 5 to 6, 3 hours. And total hours, 12. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 1 by 4 of the revolution and 1 by 4 of the revolution. Revolution means 360 degree. So 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 4 zeros are 0. So 90 degree and 90 degree means 1 right angle. So that is your answer. Then part B, it will move from 2 to 8. So how many hours we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hours out of 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So half of the revolution, simply half of the revolution you can write 180 degree, or total revolution is of 360. So half of that we will cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 zeros are 0. So 180 degree. 180 degree means how many right angles we are having? 2 right angles we are having. 90 plus 90, 180. So 2 right angles. Now 12 to 9. We are on 12 and we have to go to 9. So 12 to 9, how many hours we are having? 9. Total is 12 hours. 9 ones are 9. Sorry. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. So 3 by 4 of the revolution. Total revolution is of 360 degree. So 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. So 270 degree. In 270 degree, how many right angles we are having? 90 multiplied by 3. So 3 right angles we are having. Because 90 plus 90 plus 90 degree, that is of 270 degree. Or we can say that complete clock we have divided into 4 parts. 90, 90, 90, 90. So 3 by 4 means 1, 2, 3 right angles. So this way also you can do. So that is your question number 5. Now let's move to question number 6. So what we have in question number 6? Question number 6 is, how many right angles do you make if you start facing south? Means directions. So let's draw the directions. North, south, east and west. So as we know, this is of 90, this is of 90, this is of 90, this is of 90. So total 4 90 degree angles we are having. So we are facing south and turn clockwise to west. This is our clockwise. So south to west. How many right angles we have covered? 1 right angle. Now part B is north, south, east and west. We are facing north here and turn anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means reverse to east. Means this way we have moved. So 1 right angle, 2 right angle, 3 right angles. So how many right angles we have covered? 3 right angles. Now part C is west and turn to west. So directions are north, south, east, west. See here it is not given, it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if it is not given, then by default it is clockwise. So west and turn to west. So clockwise, if we move, we will come back to west again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 right angles we are having. Then depart south and turn to north. North, south, east, west. We are in south and turn to north. Again it is not given. So by default it is clockwise. So 1, 2. So how many right angles we are having? We are having 2 right angles here. So this is your question number 6. Now let's move to question number 7. So our question number 7 is, where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts? So let's draw the clock. 12. So from 6. So we are on 6 and we have to tell after one right angle where we will stop. So right angle, total revolution is of 360 degree. So 0 to 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. So 1/4 of the revolution. 1/4 of the revolution for hours in the clock. So 12 hours we are having. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. So 3 hours we have covered in one right angle. So 3 hours after 6. 1, 2, 3. So we will reach on 9. So this is your part A. Now part B. Again we will draw the clock. This way. We are on 8 and turns through 2 right angle. 2 right angle means 180 degree, 90 plus 90. Total revolution is of 360 degree. So 0 to 0 cancel. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. So half of the revolution. Half of the revolution for 12 hours. Because we have to tell about hours. Where the hour hand will stop. So 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So 6 hours we have to complete in half revolution. So count 6 after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means we will reach on 2. The hour hand is on 2 after 2 right angles. Now let's move to the next part. So part C is from 10. Means we are on 10 and turns through 3 right angles. So we have to cover 3 right angles. So 3 right angles means 90 plus 90 plus 90, that is of 270 degree. Total is 360. So 0 to 0 cancel. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. So 3/4 of the revolution. And we are considering about hours. So 12 hours we are having. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. So 3 threes are 9 hours we have to cover. So after 10, 9 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So where we reach? We reach on 7. So this is our part C. Last part is from 7. Means we are on 7 and turns through 2 straight angles. So one straight angle is of 180 degree. So 2 straight angles, 180 into 2, that is 360 degree. So 360 means one complete revolution. Means if we have started on 7, so we have to cover 12 hours. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again we reach on 7 after taking one complete revolution. So that's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.